If you or someone you support regularly uses accessibility features on an iPhone, like VoiceOver, Zoom, AssistiveTouch, or others, then setting up the accessibility shortcut can make things much quicker and easier. Instead of going into settings every time, you can just triple-click the power button on the right side of the phone to turn the feature on or off. Once you have unlocked your Apple device, find the Settings icon. It's grey and looks like an image of gears. If it's not on the first screen you see, you may need to swipe between screens to find it. Once you've found it, click on it. On the Settings page, navigate to the Accessibility tab. It's blue and has a white stickman on it. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Accessibility Shortcut. You'll now see a list of features you can choose from. These are the ones you'll be able to turn on or off by triple-clicking the side button. Tap to select the ones you want. You can choose just one or several. Let's look at some of the most common options. VoiceOver, if you need the screen to be read aloud. Zoom, if you need to zoom in on text or images. AssistiveTouch, if pressing physical buttons is difficult. And Magnifier, to use the camera as a digital magnifying glass. Once selected, just press the home button if your phone has one, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now try it. Triple-click the side button or the home button on older phones, and your shortcut will appear right away. If you chose more than one feature, you'll get a small menu each time to pick which one you want. You can change or remove the shortcut at any time by repeating the steps and deselecting the options you no longer want, or selecting additional ones. This is a really handy tool to make the iPhone more usable day to day, especially for anyone who needs a bit of extra support or faster access to helpful tools.